Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. As always, I want to start off by saying thank you for subscribing, commenting, liking, all that good stuff. Uh, I just recorded a video on the debt crisis that's going on in the United States. If you're not aware of that, go check it out. I put a lot of good information into that video as to how you can, benefit from these times and the times that are coming. The hard times that are coming. So if you haven't checked it out, go check out that video. Today, I'm just here to make a brief video on how to stay positive when holding Two Hands Corporation. Okay, Two Hands is a company I think is going to do very well within the upcoming years. Okay, so I really want to get people uh, to invest in this company, stay positive, and just believe in this company. Okay, the number one thing as a shareholder, as an investor, is you have to believe in your investments, okay? If you don't believe in your investments, just get out, okay? Get out of that position. So, I know I look at the charts. This is a six month chart, and it's a disaster, but it's okay, okay? The stock is not the company, okay? Even Jeff Bezos said that before. The stock is not the company, okay? Um, and I'm just here to give you some facts, and just so that you can see that I'm not lying to you. I'm going to go over the press releases as quickly as possible. I'm not going to click on them and read them word for word, but I'm just going to, go over them really briefly so you can see that I'm not lying to you. This company is fully SEC compliant. Okay, they don't hide anything. They follow the rules just like, a good shareholder, would expect them to do so. So I'm going to go down to, 9 months ago. I'm going to start here and just go up the line basically and give you facts as to why you should hold this company and uh, continue to invest in this company if you already are invested. And let me just give you uh, a quick hint before I start, going over these press releases. Um, when you're investing in a company like Two Hands, I recommend by no means I'm a financial advisor, of course, but start a position and just dollar cost average it as you go. Okay, buy a nice position, and as you go, put in what you can afford day by day. So like that, the price averages out, and you won't, lose as much money. Okay, that's a pretty good strategy that I use to invest in over-the-counter stocks and stocks such as Two Hands. you know but obviously you can do whatever you want. I'm just here to give you advice, uh non-professional advice, of course, but I'm just here to try to help you out into making the best decision that you can and the best strategies that you can when investing. Okay, so um let's go ahead and start off here. uh I just want to make this video as quick as possible. I'm not trying to take away time from anybody. I know these videos can sometimes be, uh, sort of boring, but like I said, these videos are not for everybody. These videos are for investors that, want to invest in the future and want to have great returns. Okay, buy companies at a discount and have great returns. Uh, so of course, this is going to be boring for the rich investor or the everyday person. But anyways, let's get started. So Go-Kart City, which is the main source of revenue for Two Hands Corporation, announces partnership with, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Student Union and Express Card to deliver groceries to students. Okay, 9 months ago they were already, targeting students, which is great. Okay, this is going to boost, uh, you know, and it did boosted revenue. So very good on that. Okay, 7 months ago, online grocery delivery marketplace Go-Kart City appoints chef Grace Defeaty as corporate executive chef. Okay, I'm not sure how you pronounce that name, uh, but yeah, I mean, they're appointing executive chefs, for the meal preps. Like I said, meal preps are a big thing now, and they are involved in that too. So, you got to keep that in mind. 6 months ago, online grocery delivery marketplace Go-Kart City rolls out Saturday across Toronto and Greater Toronto area. So that's just basically trying to show shareholders that, hey, we're in business. 5 months ago, 2Hands Corporation to focus exclusively on the food industry. That's really good. Okay, they realized that the food industry is where the money's at, and they're focusing on that. Okay, this was 5 months ago. Really, really good. Okay, they realize, what they should be focusing on, and where the bigger profits, margins, and where the bigger revenues are to come from. Really good. 3 months, 2Hands Corporation focuses on food industry expands. Almost the same thing. Great job there. 2Hands Corporation expands its Go Meal Kits. I'm not exactly sure uh, Go what meal Go Meal Kits are. However, I am fully aware that they do have like some sort of meal preps. Uh, so it's regardless of what it is, expansion is always good of meals that are already prepared. Because that promotes convenience, and you know how important convenience is. Okay, so 3 months ago, Two Hands Corporation announces 67.7 current debt reduction. Okay, I just made a video on the 23% current debt reduction. They've been cutting back debt, uh, since 3 months ago. So uh, it's not too far back, but this shows that, hey, they want to cut back debt. They want to be attractive to institutional investors in the upcoming year of 2022. So they want to have a nice, strong balance sheet, income statement, all that good stuff. So hey, they're doing good. 2 months ago, Two Hands Corporation announces 400,000 Series D funding, and here as well a $1 million Series D funding. It's okay, these companies, uh, they need a little bit of dilution. As they raise money, it creates a little bit of dilution. However, it's okay. They need to raise money. They're a startup. Okay, this is completely normal. So expect maybe a little bit more of this. Hopefully not too much, but if it's just in small amounts like this, it's completely normal. They need it for expansion. Uh, just don't get nervous when uh, dilution or Series D fundings come out in the press releases. Last month, Two Hands Corporation sales grow as expansion distribution continues. Very very well. Expansion distribution, all that is growing. Very, very well played. Uh, 21 days ago, Go-Kart City expansion of groceries to student programs. Like I said, they know who they're targeting. Students. That's very, very good. That's where the big money's at. Okay, the universities, the colleges. Uh, it doesn't get any better than that. Especially if you can make contracts with these universities. Uh, to provide food for the students, and also make separate deals with the students individually, separate from the university, to deliver at their wants and at their needs. And if different people like different food, so maybe say for example, if the students don't like that the food that the university is providing from Two Hands, they can order their own food from Two Hands, meal prep speaking wise, or the food that they provide, whatever the case may be. And obviously, 5 days ago, Two Hands Corporation announces over 23% debt reduction. So here, look, guys, Two Hands Corporation, I mean, look, they're reducing debt. They're trying to be more attractive to institutional investors. Please don't let these charts make you nervous, okay? Don't let, the red days make you want to sell. Don't let them make you sell, okay? Everything gets better, okay, when institutional investors come into play. Why? Because they want what's best for their investments, and they have connections, okay? Right now, Two Hands is establishing and creating those connections, okay? So please don't let, like I said, red days make you sell. Uh, I just went over why you should hold uh, Two Hands no matter what. They're growing, they're showing growth, and they're managing growth very, very well. Okay. So, you know, I believe this company will have, I don't like to make predictions, but I believe this company will have at least $100 million to $500 million market cap within the next, 5 to 10 years. Now I know $500 million market cap is pretty, uh, you know, big or whatever you want to call it, unrealistic. But the thing is, you know, if they get the right institutional investors, nothing is, impossible. Okay. So, I mean, like I said, look at Instacart, $39 billion market cap. Okay, so if two hands, gets it right, anything is possible. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Uh, just want to, help you out, keep you positive. Red days, green days, I'm here. You can ask me any questions. If you want me to go over something, like I said, comment on anything, any press releases, any other stocks. I'm here for you. Just leave a comment and I'll gladly, help you out. And so you can see things, in a different perspective. Uh, and don't forget to subscribe, like. I think I already said that, but don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, dislike, anything uh, is greatly appreciated. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. You guys have a great day, great night wherever you are. Thank you very much.